Ayun.
Okay na.
Okay na, naka-record na. So, ito na po. Kuya Ian. Naka-cold shift tayo. Run na natin.
F1.
Okay na.
Then go to MD70, emergency generator.
Next.
Start emergency generator on engine control.
Next.
Switch on the voltage control, then check the voltage and frequency.
Okay. Wait lang.
Check muna.
Next.
Put emergency generator control to auto.
Next.
Go to MD73, emergency switchboard.
Okay.
Put all breaker in on freedom panels, including emergency transformer inlet breaker.
Wait lang. Next.
Go to MD71, main switchboard. Feeders. Then put all breakers in.
Wait. Wait. Next.
Then put all breaker in on main switchboard.
Okay.
Go to MD72, main switchboard feeders. Then put all breakers in.
Okay, next.
Go to MD40 to start the ER fan number 2 supply and exhaust fans.
Next.
Okay na. Number 2 na. Si
Solis.
Preparation of seawater cooling and emergency compressor. 1. Go to MD01 seawater system.
Okay, next.
Open SW overboard valve.
Next.
Open low suction sea chest inlet valve.
Next.
Open DG 1 and 2 freshwater coolers, seawater shut-off valve and freshwater coolers number 1.
Okay, next.
Open SW recirculation line shut-off valve.
Okay, next. Wait lang, acknowledge na natin
Put
itong error.
temperature to auto mode.
Next. Naka-auto mode na.
Sige. Star auxiliary SW pump.
Okay, next.
Go to the MD59, then start air system.
Okay. Next.
Open emergency, then start air receiver, inlet valve and outlet valve.
Next. Next na po.
Open diesel generator 1 and 2. Start air supply value.
Okay, next.
Put emergency compressor to local control.
Okay po. Next.
Start emergency compressor by pressing on until receiver pressure to at least 20 bars.
Okay. So, nag-aantay lang po tayo para mag 20 bars to. So, para bumilis, pwede natin siyang i-hand pump. Yan. Medyo matagal-tagal pong proseso ang nangyayari. Yan, medyo mabilis naman po yung dahil hinan pump. Konting antay lang po at makakarating po tayo sa 20 bars. Nakakalahati na po natin ang 20 bars. Konting antay lang. So, nag-off po ulit yung hand pump natin at pwede po natin siyang ulit i-on para mas lalong bumilis ang pagpunta ng 12 natin sa 20 bars. Yan. Abang-abang lang po. Yan, medyo malapit-lapit na mag 20 bars. Yan, kapati na lang. Yan na, malapit na. Medyo matagal na proseso at malapit na siya. Okay na po. Next.
Put emergency compressor to remove control.
Pakiulit.
Put emergency compressor to remote control.
Okay. So, next po is Engineer Eroles. Maraming salamat po, Engineer De Los Reyes at Engineer Solis.
Okay. For starting the generator 1 and 2, kindly go to step 24. Go to MD 75, which is the diesel generator number 1.
Right? Next.
Step 25. Check lube oil sump tank level if minimum level is 30% and maximum is 80%. Okay.
Next. Ayun na. Medyo inaantay na lang natin siya mag ano.
Mga. Oh. Oh, yung natirang ulam sa rep, na lang kunin mo. Sige.
Hindi ko alam kung nag... Okay. Okay na.
Okay na. Open the lube
Wait
oil
lang po.
filter.
Medyo sumobra yung ating ano. Gagawin natin.
Okay.
Saan natin to?
Open the lube oil filter number 1. Okay. Manually start the lube oil priming.
Wait lang po. Medyo sumobra yung atin. Ang gagawin pag sumobra is buksan to. Framing pump. Tapos buksan ang sludge tank. Makikita po natin na nagbabawas at pag na-put nyo na yung desired na ano, pwede nyo lang buksan at sarado silang pareho. Okay, next, Engineer Eroles.
Okay. Nabuksan mo na yung filter.
Okay, sana.
Manually start the lube oil priming pump.
Okay, bukas na ulit.
Check the level of the expansion tank. Fill up the tank to normal level. If no water flow, go to MD67 and open appropriate valves.
So, normal naman ang ating expansion tank. So, next.
Next is switch on the electric preheater with a set point of 75 degrees Celsius.
Okay, nabuksan na. Next.
Switch A. Step 30. Open number
Ano
1.
pa ulit?
Open number 1 DO filter.
Next.
Next is go to MD. I'm sorry. Open pump suction valve.
Okay, next.
Go to MD05. Then open the DO suction valve from DO service tanks. Open the DO supply valve to DG1 and 2.
Next.
After that, go back to MD75 and check starter pressure. Must be above 14 bar.
Okay. Above 14 bars. Next.
Go to engine control and press start. Observe the changes of all parameters. The RPM should be at 9005.
You can see.
Maangat na siya.
So, ayan.
Pagkatapos
9 o'clock na.
Put the preheater into auto mode.
Wait, acknowledge po natin ang ating alarm. Okay, next.
Next is put the lube oil priming pump to auto.
Okay, next.
Then put the engine control to remote.
Okay na, next. Na-remote ko na.
After that, go to MD76 for diesel generator number 2. Go to MD76 for diesel generator number 2.
Next.
Line up the DG2 same as the same procedure of DG1.
Okay. Ito po yung unang gawin natin sa DG1. Hintay lang po natin mag 30 to 80 875. Knowledge natin ang alarms habang okay. So ayan, malapit na siyang mag 70 plus. $77, okay na po yan. Basta line up 7. Oh, na yung okay yan, sakto. Next.
After that, open the oil filter number 1. Then, lube oil primer pump. Then, open the fuel oil. Sorry. Take the preheater on. Then, open the fuel filter number 1.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay, next. Bukas na po ang filter DG2, filter number 1, and DG2, junction valve. Next.
Then, start the engine control.
Okay. So, ang ginawa po natin sa DG1 ay nilagay po natin to 905 ito. Nantayin po natin ang DG2 natin na magkaroon ng 905 imported ito. So, ayun. At 905 na. So, same lang po ang gagawin. Pag naabot na natin ng 905, i-auto ang preheater at i-auto po ang pump. Acknowledge po natin ulit. Okay, acknowledge na. Tapos, i-remote control. Okay, next.
Next is go to MP7 electric power plant.
Power plant.
Test voltage control on DG1 and 2.
Okay. Voltage on DG1. DG2.
Tapos buksan niya. Go to MD141. Panel.
141. It's main switch register. Okay.
Check the frequency and the voltage.
Wait lang po,
pressing.
Miss Engineer Eroles. Acknowledge lang natin tong alarm. Okay, next.
Okay. Check the frequency and the voltage pressing either RS, ST, PR, and current by pressing either RST.
Okay.
Next, press synchronoscope button and select VG1.
DG1.
After that, connect the breaker.
Okay.
Go to MD1 and start auxiliary pump again.
Wait lang, i-ano natin to. Knowledge. Pwedeng pakiulit, Engineer Roles.
Go to MD01 and start the auxiliary pump again.
Okay.
Next, go to MD72, main switchboard feeders.
Okay.
The mains transformer inlet breaker should be go in.
Okay, next.
And go to MD01 and start the seawater pump number 1. Then put it into remote.
Okay, wait lang. I-acknowledge muna natin ulit ang mga alarm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay na. Next.
Go to MD143. The main switchboard
143.
diesel generation 2.
Okay.
Check the frequency and the voltage by pressing either RS, ST, ER, and current by pressing either RST.
Okay, next.
Press synchroscope button, then select VG2. Then adjust the frequency to a clockwise direction.
Okay, next.
Then connect the breaker at 11 o'clock. Nice na.
I-acknowledge muna po natin yung alarm.
Sige, sige. After that, switch off the
Next.
synchroscope.
Okay. Na-off na po natin. Next.
Go to MD101, the power chip generator control.
101. Power chief. Next.
Press connect to auto.
Auto.
Prior 1 for DG1. And prior 2 for DG2.
Next.
Okay. Go to MD40 to start all ER fan supply and exhaust fans.
Pwede pa ulit. Medyo nag-choppy ka, Engineer Roles.
Okay, okay. Go to MD40,
MD40.
then start all the ER fan supply and exhaust fan.
Okay, next. Ngayon na, gumagalaw na silang lahat.
Go to MD10, freshwater system. Okay. Open the LTFW cooler number 1 shut-off valve.
Okay, nabukas na.
Okay. Open the LTFW FWC 1 and 2 bypass valve.
Okay, bukas na.
Tapos, buksan mo din yung air compressor cooler shut-off valve.
Okay, bukas na.
Then, start LTFW pump number 1, then switch it to remote.
Okay, bukas na.
Go to MD60 service air system.
60. Okay, next.
Prepare the service air compressor in preparation for boiler operation.
Ito.
Okay.
Wait lang po, di ko makita yung... Ano yung isa? Pwedeng pabanggit?
Okay, wait lang. Go to MD59. Go to MD60 service air system. Andiyan na kayo?
Dito na po.
Sorry, late lang nga, late. Prepare the service air compressor in preparation for boiler operation. Ay mong may nagkaligtan, no? Sorry,
Next.
Pero nabuksan mo na yung 59.
59. Okay.
Diyan ka na.
Okay. Andito na.
Okay, sorry, dali. Prepare the air compressor number 1 and 2 using receiver number 1 and 2.
Next.
Nabuksan mo na yung ano, no? Pa 60.
Mm-mm.
Go to FD 102.
MD 102.
Yes, Chief.
Okay.
Put the SW pump and LTFW to auto mode. Then, okay na.
Okay na.
Process na siya. Then, put all air compressor to auto
Wait lang
mode.
po. I-ano lang po na natin to.
Sige, sige, sige.
Knowledge natin. Yan. Next.
Put all air compressor to auto mode.
Okay na. Next.
And that's the procedure for operating the
So
VG1
that's
and 2.
group 4 for exercise 1 to 3, exercise 2, and exercise 3. Thank you.